In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Outlook account on Gmail. By the end, you'll have your Outlook messages flowing into Gmail so you can manage everything in one place, without switching tabs. Start by opening your web browser and signing into your Gmail account on a computer. The process is easiest on the desktop version. Once you're in Gmail, look at the top right and click the gear icon for settings, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, click the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail handles connections to other email services. Find the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear. Type your Outlook email address carefully, then click Next. You'll see two options here. Choose Link Accounts with Mailify. This is the recommended route because it keeps things synced. Gmail can apply powerful spam protection, categories, and search, and changes like read or unread status stay consistent. There is also a POP3 import option, but that's more basic and doesn't sync as seamlessly. Click Next. Gmail will ask for permission to access your Outlook account so it can fetch and manage your messages on your behalf. If you're prompted, sign into your Outlook account, then review and grant the requested permissions. This is required for Gmail to connect and display your Outlook emails properly. Once the link is complete, Gmail will confirm it, and your Outlook emails will begin appearing in your Gmail inbox. You may also see a label created with your Outlook address, which helps you quickly filter those messages. From here on, you can read, archive, star, and reply using the Gmail interface you're used to. When you reply to an Outlook message, Gmail will send it using your Outlook address, so your recipients see the correct sender. If you ever need to double-check, look at the From line when composing. Give the first sync a moment, especially if your Outlook mailbox is large. Older emails will populate shortly. After that, everything should update automatically. You can search across your Outlook messages with Gmail's powerful search, and manage them alongside your regular Gmail messages in one unified inbox, which makes day-to-day email much more streamlined. That's it. Your Outlook account is now linked to Gmail with Mailify and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.